All right, guys. So welcome to today's review on online monthly income. So I believe someone referred you, invited you to check out this amazing platform. So I'm going to go straight to the point. I'm going to waste your time. So online monthly income is a platform where you can actually get access to expert trainings in different online businesses. Like for instance, if you talk about cryptocurrency, blogging, affiliate marketing, product launching, or whatever online business you've heard about, you are going to find them inside here, and you get access to expert in-depth training on all these online businesses. And this is the same business that we have done also, that we are actually doing. And some of us are making at least $500 per month. For instance, I do some of these things and I average at least $500 every single month. And that's, I do product launching and affiliate marketing. So everything is inside. You're going to get in-depth access to the members area. You get access to the members area so you can access all these trainings, and then you can act on them, learn more, and start getting into profit. And it's free. Everything is free. So you can see when you check on the page, I'm sure someone has sent you the link already. So when you check on the page, you get access to all these. You can see here, you can see testimonials of people who have gone through the training. You can see their comments, their feedback. Most of them just saying a lot of things about this training. So you can check it out and see it as well. So so inside you get a lot of things: how to start your own online business, how to go blogging, how to build your own stunning website in 10 minutes, affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and strategies, how to, strategy to bank $100 per day with CPA, PLR profit strategy from $5 to $2,000 in 7 days. Yes, I do that a lot. And investing with crypto, how to become an e-com tycoon, dropshipper, writer, flipping domains. I don't know, it's endless. So when you're on this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then you will see a place to enter your name and then your email address. So you get access link. So we'll send you the link to log into the platform so you can access this training. So you can see right here, people are also even making money on our platform. So when you join and then access this training, you also have a chance to make money with us. So you can see we pay our members, they are making money. We send them money within 24 hours, they get their payment. So all you need to do now, if you want to check out these amazing training videos, these training courses, expert trainings in over 20 online businesses, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and then enter your name right here. Enter your first name. I'm going to enter, let me enter John here. Yeah, make sure you enter your right name and then your email address and your email address. So you get your login details sent to you. Yes, then your email, I'm going to use, let me use virally. Yeah, let me use this. Then just click on yes, send my login details. So once you click on that, it will automatically send your login details to your email address, and then it will bring you to this page how you can, how you can move ahead. So you can see we just sent you an automated email to access the expert training. So you can see this is just a screenshot of how the member training looks like. So what you need to do now is, number one, you check your email to confirm your email address. So log into your email account. You will receive a first email that says, please complete your registration. So once you do that, once you complete your registration, just click on the link inside that email. Then immediately you click on the link, you will now get a second email that says welcome to online monthly income. So it's this second email that you will get your login details and your password. So you'll be able to log in and then check out this amazing all the training for free. You access all those training for free. In one click, you just access the members area. And also number three is, once you access the training, I'll employ you to join our Facebook group, because that's where you want to be making a lot of money, and you can, you can earn, you can earn endless commission. We pay our members, in many ways we pay our members in the Facebook group. So I won't be able to share the testimonials right there, but when you join the group, you'll see everything live inside the group. So all you need to do now is go to your once you sign up via the link sent to you, then you go to your email address. Once you enter your email address and you confirm, and then you get a welcome email message, you'll be sent this link here. You will see a link you click on the link, and then brings you to the members area right here, just right here like this. You see online monthly income. So this is where you'll be able to access the expert trade. Just click on access products. So once you click on access products, then it should take you right here. Which of them? Let me see. Yes, right here. So once you click on access products, it tells you see a welcome module. Yeah, you can click on the access module, and then you see the free training where you get the expert training 27. You can see over 20 expert training in different online businesses, and then we have more and more and more plans inside. So the next place is now to access the expert training. So when you get over there, remember the first one is welcome. The welcome module, we have the introduction, overview of online monthly income, then important links, and then quick links. Then the number one is the level one where you access the expert training section. So you can see this is the expert training section. So where you can access all the expert trainings, any niche. You can see blogging, web design, email marketing, affiliate marketing, CPA, crypto, freelancing, e-com, Facebook ads, YouTube marketing, PLR, webinar, mobile app, copywriting. Honestly, I did all the hard work, to actually put all things together. And a lot of people have actually sent, amazing feedback that actually, in fact, was able to compensate me for all the hard work I've done. So go ahead and then access all this expert training. And then inside, you will discover how you can start making passive income, as in steady income to your bank account over and over and over again. So let me stop here. Just go ahead. I believe you have clicked on the link and you can see this video. So this is how you can access all the training members. If you want to access your login details anytime, just go to your email address, check the second email where it says welcome to online monthly com. You can just click on the link right there, and then you automatically logs you in to your account, and then you can access all the trainings. So the trainings, you can see the videos are not long, but the expert trainings, these trainings are in depth. So most of them are very long. So you can, if you have the time, you have the data, you can watch every one of them, but I won't advise you to watch all of them because it's going to burn out your time and it's going to stress you out, and you might lose interest and you might get confused. So I will advise you focus on the one you've heard about or you've seen people make money with, or the one you have interest in. So just go in and then check them out, study them, and then if you have questions, trust me, you can always hear from me 24/7 in my Facebook group. I give 247 support in the Facebook, so that's why you need to be there. And most importantly, there are so many ways you can make money with us in the Facebook group. So you need to be in the Facebook group so you don't miss out on them. So level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5 is something I'm going to share with you guys later. So just go ahead and then just go ahead and sign up with your account, and then I'll get back to you on how you can make real money, crazy money with this platform, online monthly income. Trust me, this is the best platform you ever see because you're not selling anything, you're not promoting anything, and you're learning for free, expert training for free, and you get support for free, and you make money with us in a crazy way. So just go ahead. I don't know whatever stage you are right now. If you are just watching this video, you don't signed up, go ahead, click on the bit.ly link sent to you, sign up for your account, brings you to this page right here where you can, sign up for your own account, and then, okay, this is the thank you page, and then it brings you right here to, join the Facebook group, and then whatever. So just go ahead and then access the training. And then if you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, or reach out to the person that invited you to this amazing platform. So thank you very much. My name is John Anna Violori. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. So thank you very much. Stay safe, and bye-bye.